How to find unlimited YouTube video ideas. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can find unlimited YouTube video ideas. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go to youtube.com. If you have an account on YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, then you must be struggling with the video ideas because we need to update the ideas that we have on YouTube. We need to upload videos and we need to upload different videos every time with the new concept and everything, and it can be sometimes very toxic how to find all of these different ideas every time, a new idea, something that is not on YouTube, something that will get us views. So how you can do the search for the topics? Well, it's actually really easy. I have a tool for you guys that we can use, and we can also use YouTube itself. So if you do not want to use a third party tool, it's completely fine. You can get your video ideas from YouTube. Yes, it's really easy. So let's actually jump into it. What you need to do is, once you get to youtube.com, so what you can do is, instead of searching on your basic account that you have, you actually should open up another new tab. So this tab is going to be incognito here, and what you need to do is, here you will search for YouTube. Okay, so the YouTube I'm getting here is completely new and it does not have any search history. So it will give me the best raw results that I was looking for. Here, the searches that I will get are going to be according to YouTube, not according to my search history. Now, it totally depends on you what kind of YouTube channel you own. Let's say you make football related videos. So, what you will do is, in the search bar, you will type in the word football. Once you search for football, it will give you the searches. Now, the searches that you're getting are actually the topics that you can go for, and these are the trending topics in your niche. We have football, and then we have football highlights, football skills, football shorts, songs, match, tricks. Then we have live match, quiz, and cartoon. So these are some of the keywords that I'm getting for my YouTube videos. Now I go for football skills. So it will give me now more keywords. And for instance, we have football skills shorts, and then we have tutorial for beginners, for kids. Then we have a Messi, then we got Ronaldo, so we know that. And then we got easy, we got training. So you can see all of these keywords are actually the kind of topics we can go for, and you will get unlimited topics like this. You just need to enter your idea, any idea that you have in your mind. If you do not have an idea, what you can do is you can just simply go for, let's say, the type of videos I make. I can just go for how to, because I know my channel, right? So now I know how to, you can see, delete Instagram account. I literally got a topic right away. And then we have how to earn money online. I have how to deactivate my account, how to download YouTube video. So these are the kind of videos that I can make on my channel. So this is how it works. We get these unlimited ideas, and these are actually the top results on YouTube that we're getting, and this way I will be able to find the right topics for my YouTube channel. So this is how we do the search for our keywords and for our YouTube ideas or the different topics to go for. Now in this niche, what I can do is, we can also go for how to, and you can just enter the plus, and let's say I have a platform in mind, let's say Facebook, and now I will get unlimited topics. How to Facebook account delete, how to Facebook name change, how to Facebook profile lock. So how to plus, and then your word, and you will get the topics, unlimited video ideas right here. So this is how we work on YouTube. It's very easy. You could just go ahead and use this search bar on your YouTube channel. That will help you get the unlimited ideas. Now let's actually move to a platform. So we have vidIQ. If you want to use a third-party tool, you can use vidIQ.com. There's also an app available for this. This is a pretty good platform. There's already a video on the channel as well, how to use vidIQ, how to get started. Well, it's really easy. You can use your email address or use your Google account. It takes you right here. So on vidIQ, it's a platform made for YouTube. Here we get daily ideas. Here you connect your YouTube channel first. That's the first thing you will do. So I have connected my YouTube channel here. Now, according to your niche and according to your category, what it does, It gives you a daily idea how to solo Fortnite, unlock Fortnite secret battles. So now it's showing me some of the ideas, and it's also showing me the view prediction. Very high, high, medium. This is really good. This is the main dashboard. I can go to the daily ideas, and here I will be getting these automatically generated, AI generated daily ideas for my YouTube channel. You can also customize your ideas by giving it a word, and it will give you unlimited topics and new trending topics to go for. Then we have keywords. Now you can also search for different keywords on vidIQ. Let's say I wanted to create a video on, let's actually go with the same keyword, football. So this is my keyword, just one word. I want to know if I create a video related to football, will I get the views and where this keyword stands. Let's search for it. And there you go, we got our results. So right now, its overall score is medium. The search volume is more than 2 million and competition is really high. We also want to go for the keywords that have low competition but have the higher score. So here we have the word football skills. Now you can see this is kind of like the result we got on our YouTube too. Here we have overall score of 42. Then you can scroll down for the matching terms. If you feel like, okay, football is a very high competition, maybe I can go with another word. So you will go with the football highlights or football sports or sports football. So that's how we do it, and that's how we get the more keywords and we can generate more and more ideas. The good thing about vidIQ is you can use it for free. You can see I am using it for free. There is also a upgrade available that you can go for that helps you with more subscriber boost or SEO boost like that. But you can just go with for the keywords, and here we have all of our different search volume. Then we have our competitors here. In our competitors, you will be able to add YouTube channels and compare, and this way you can get more ideas. Now I have another way for you to get the ideas for your YouTube channel. Let's get back to YouTube now. So on YouTube as well, I showed you one way how to search for YouTube video ideas, right? What you can do is another way is you can find a channel in your niche. That is actually an easy way, and you will be able to get more inspiration, and it gives you the live results too. For instance, I have a YouTube channel, right? This YouTube channel. What I will do is I'll search for the other YouTube channels in my niche or in my category. So what will happen is I will check out the videos they're uploading. It will give me the live results as well, that okay, this person uploaded this video one day ago and they got 1 million views. That means that this topic is good, so I can make that video. So this way you can even get the video ideas from that person, from that channel, and use them as inspiration, not copyright, but use them as an inspiration and generate your own YouTube video ideas. This way you will generate good videos that will give you the best results, and you will be able to work on the SEO and much more. This way you will also get more views, and you can monetize your channel and make money eventually. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to get unlimited YouTube video ideas for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.